How to download Instagram videos. This video will discuss the several methods for downloading Instagram videos, so that you can enjoy your favorite content anytime, anywhere offline. How to download Reels from Instagram. There are a number of methods you can use to download Reels, including using the built-in screen recording feature on your device or downloading a third-party app. How to download a video from Instagram using a screen recording. One of the easiest ways to download a video from Instagram is by using your phone's screen recording feature. By recording the video directly from your screen, you can save it to your device's camera roll or gallery. This method is available for both iOS and Android devices and doesn't require any additional software or apps. How do I save my Instagram Reels? Saving your Instagram Reels is a great way to keep your favorite content accessible for later viewing. To save your Reels, simply click on the Save icon located on the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. From there, you can choose to save the reel to your device's camera roll or to a dedicated Reels folder within the Instagram app. Fast Save for Instagram, Android, and iOS. Fast Save for Instagram is a mobile application available for both Android and iOS users. It allows users to save photos and videos from Instagram onto their device. With its simple interface and quick download speed, Fast Save for Instagram is a popular tool for Instagram users who want to save content for later viewing. Repost for Instagram. Repost Instagram is a popular mobile application that allows users to download Instagram videos with ease. It offers a simple and user-friendly interface that enables users to quickly save videos from Instagram onto their device. With Repost for Instagram, downloading Instagram videos has never been easier.